Okay, it's a week 2, rebuilding my 130k Etsy store with 3D printing, and this week's revenue stands at 323 euros. And remember, my goal is to generate $10,000 a month in revenue. So this is about, I would say, $400. I know that my audience are also Americans, so it's around $400. So yesterday I got, as you can see, it's 323, and if you go to all time, my revenue stands at 111,000 euros, so around over $130,000 in revenue. So let's go to orders and sorry. So I have to send out this one tomorrow. I have to package it and send it. So this week I got only one 3D print sale, and the rest of the sales basically came from my digital product that I'm selling. And if you go to my YouTube channel community section, you can see I post these posts where I transparently show all my revenue that I generated that week, each week. And also, as you can see right here, I say I ordered the Bambu Lab X2D. I own two printers now. Things are about to get serious. And I'm also shifting strategy on how I approach Etsy listings, and it might surprise you. I'm dropping AI generated product images. So, and let me explain why. And as you can see, I mentioned here that after thinking about it, I believe buyers are going to get fatigued by hyper polished, too perfect visuals. Raw, real, slightly imperfect product photos are going to win because they feel honest. We'll see if I'm right. Either way, I'm documenting everything. And the reason why I came to this conclusion, um, why I'm dropping AI, because if you go to like Etsy, I'm gonna see that all of the people start to generate with AI these too polished images, and I think buyers will get tired of it. They will lose trust, and it will basically rotate back to raw and real images that are imperfect, you know. And I also changing my strategy the way I write headlines. For example, if you check out the uh, my product, this one that I'm selling, it's basically Yapandi incense holder set that actually catches ash and releases the stick. So the headline is uh, pinpointing the problem and shows the solution the product is solving, and it's also a positioning strategy. And maybe one day I can tell you more about the positioning strategy and why it's important, and also how I'm using copywriting um, to sell the products. How I use levels, and how I use copywriting to uh, talk to people at the different stage they're in in terms of their problem awareness and so on. But this is not video about like copywriting. I have to like show you like with the examples. And yeah, I have to send this one out. um, as you can see, I have all these digital products that I'm selling. A lot of uh, sales coming in from the ads, you can see. And what else? um, yeah, I always say if you guys are interested to learning more about my Etsy or how I run things, you can go to my Etsy store right here on my website. Is davidsolo.com. You can leave your email address and name, and I will send behind the scenes video where I show all the product ads and real numbers behind my 130k Etsy store. I show everything all the ads that I'm running, everything. You can visit the website. And also I have the for 3D printing enthusiasts and business owners, this 3D print profit calculator, where you can know exactly what your net profit is. Uh, you can fill out these little forms, and this calculator will automatically analyze your net profit and also if the product is worth running, you know. So that's something you can check out. And remember, if you go to my roadmap, you can see that I'm here at the step 3. I need to grow to 20 plus products, ideally by end of this. I want to basically step into Q4 with like 20 plus products. That's where all the money gonna come. So now it's preparation phase, and goal is 10k a month with 3D printing. We'll see. Maybe I need to use Amazon as well. As you can see, at the step 4, I have expand and scale. My original idea is to start with an Etsy and then move to Shopify, but uh, I will adapt based on the situation. I mean, maybe I should go to with Amazon. It's all the tests, and I'm thinking as I go and doing things as I go. So nothing is really set in stone. So yeah, if you want to learn more about the stuff that I'm doing, uh, visit the website and check in the next video. And this week I'm gonna show you how I find my next product that I'm gonna 3D print, um, and I'm gonna sell it. So yeah, check the next video where I'm gonna do the research and 3D modeling and listing and all of that. Okay.